I'm back with another experiment. So for the next experiment, we are going to need some dish soap, baking soda, just a glass of water, like just to wash a spoon, and synthetic vinegar, a bit of food color. I'm taking green. 2 beakers. I can't say this is beakers, but it is a medicine ml checker. I don't know the name of it, and a plate to keep underneath. So let's begin. So we are going to take a spoon, also a spoon, okay? So we are going to take a spoon and we're gonna take some baking soda, put it into one, okay? We are going to put it into our plate, and then we are going to like tap the excess inside, keep that aside, wash our spoon, so done washing our spoon. So then we are going to take our next one, take some vinegar, put some vinegar inside that, this much, okay? So we can put our vinegar aside and close our baking soda. Then we can open food color, put 1 drop. I'm putting 1 drop because my liquid is a little bit, and be careful, you might get food color in your hands, okay? Then we are going to take our dish soap and we are going to put it inside a little bit. I took the green food color because my dish soap is green. So then we take our spoon and we just mix. Okay, my god. Okay. Then we keep the spoon inside our glass. We take it. This is the fun part, okay? So then we set it in the middle, and 3, 2, 1. We pour it inside, okay? 3, 2, 1. Oh wow. 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 Just putting the glass underneath because it is going to drip. Oh wow. So if you are doing this in the kitchen, it is better, because if you're doing this in your room on your table, it might stain your table because it has this what is this, food color and everything. Oh my god, it's dripping from my hand too. See, it's already stained my hand. So I can just pour this inside and keep this in my hand. So this is our experiment. This is flowing down because a chemical reaction be caused by the baking soda and the vinegar. That's it. Okay. And like if I'm explaining, it will be like the vinegar and baking soda going into a fight. This is just a fun explanation. The vinegar and baking soda went into a fight and they made some bubbles, and the bubbles escaped, and the liquid and the powder is there in the bottom. They got really tired and they're sitting in the bottom, and the bubbles escaped. So that is my fun way of explanation. And if you want more explanation about this, you can go to Google and search. I don't know more explanation about this. So this is all for today's video. So ta bye bye. And wash your hands properly because it is baking soda and vinegar and food colors. So wash your hands properly. Okay, bye bye.